afternoon. The record will reflect the presence of counsel and the defendant and the jury. Mr. Griffin.
Judge, the defense rests.
Thank you. Mr. Barker.
The state rests its rebuttal.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what this means is, and I'm sorry that you waited longer for us, but I assure you that we've been working on the case the entire time that you were on the lunch and recess. So, here's the great news, and what I mean by great news is we've kept our word to you. The case will go to you tomorrow for deliberation. But I'm going to be excusing you now because now that both parties rested, counsel and I need to work on the final jury instructions. Remember, I mentioned to you during the preliminary jury instructions that we would give you, I will instruct you on the final instructions, we'll take your preliminary ones back from you, and I will instruct you on the final jury instructions, the law that you have to apply when you deliberate. And after I instruct you tomorrow morning, then the attorneys will make their closing arguments, and then you get the case for deliberation. So by good news, I'm saying we've kept to the schedule we told you we would, that we would get this case to you by Friday, meaning tomorrow, for deliberation. So this process takes some time. And I, again, don't want you waiting around for us, so I've consulted counsel, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and excuse you for the rest of the afternoon and ask that you be back at 8:45 in the morning tomorrow. And it is our plan and expectation we'll get to bring you in very close to 9 a.m. for final instructions by me and the closing arguments of counsel. And then you'll have the case for deliberation. Okay? So, I'm going to remind you of the admonition. Do not talk to anyone about the case. Do not let anyone talk to you about it. That includes each other. And please keep an open mind about the case, and please do not form any opinions about the case. So we stand in recess. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you. Please be seated. Jury's been excused. So, counsel, can you approach for a moment? Counsel and I are going to meet chambers to work this afternoon on finalizing the final jury instructions. All right. Counsel, anything further? We're going to go off the record right now, but we'll be on the record in chambers going through the final jury instructions. So, counsel, anything further? Mr. Griffin?
No, there's not.
Right. We'll call for you in just a few minutes, okay? And we'll do that back in the office area. Okay. Thank you.